Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video from Yamparala Rahul. In this video, I'll be explaining my process of how I applied for a design job at Portal, which is a Web3 native company which provides services on finance for the companies, like giving them wallet services and other things related to the finance. So this is the company website for which I am applying for. So they primarily work under B2B, which is my specializations too. So that's the baseline why I'm applying for this job. So this job was posted on Super Team Earn. It's a platform for Web3 native people to participate in bounties, projects and other. And they have mentioned a lot of descriptions that what they require. Some of them were to design web pages, design web apps and also mobile. And the person who is applying, he or she should be well proficient in Figma and other design creatives. So when I was applying here, I see that there are a lot of applications. Like when I was making this video, here itself you can see there are 100 plus applications. And when I was applying here, that time it was around 90 plus. So at that time, what I got an idea is like everyone who might be applying for this, they may be sending their portfolios, they may be sending their work that I have done previously, but I want to do something different. So what I did is I created a web page for them for Portal so that it gives them as a personalized experience. And today we'll be breaking down this one. So before starting, I just want to clear up that why I'm making this video. So the base thing is now the job market is stable. I would not say that it is down, but it is stable. And when you're applying for a job and if you really want that job, go one step further, create something for them. Because if you do one step more than 100 of people who are applying, then there might be a chance that you will get the position faster and get recognized by them. So in that particular way, that thinking itself, I made this website. And you can copy this, you can copy the structure and it may help you out. So let's get started. First thing first, as a designer, I should be able to make user click on certain actions. And on this page, for that reason, I just get a one CTA, which is let's chat, and other call to actions and other things like header and footer and any other things are not here, because this page is meant for only to get them know about me and getting started with the project. So initially, I just gave them a simple introduction like, hi Portal, I'm Rahul, a product designer. I've given my image here so that it doesn't mean like it's a template or something that is generic. And then I've mentioned that what I specialize in, which is designing functional Web3 products. And then I've given a call to action. So this first section, the hero section itself, is to introduce myself. Next, if they scroll down here in this section, I want to bring a connection. So what I did is I mentioned from when I'm into Web3, in what startups I have worked in, payment, creative, gaming industries, and how I found this opportunity, which is on Super Team. So I'm an active member on Super Team, and then I found out about Portal. So this section itself builds a connection. Next, I have given a line, considering my previous experience with payments, I believe I can be the best fit for Portal design requirement. And in the below, I started with how I could be useful to them. Next, I have shown them my previous work, which is into the payments directly. And here you should be knowing one point is whenever you are applying, don't send them all of your work, send them what is relative to them. If you're applying for creative agency, then send your most creative work. If you're applying for a B2B and for a gaming industry, then send your gaming work. So here, as this is a fintech company, it is into the payments. I have shared my payment work, which is crypto pool. So it's a basic startup and it's in a beta stage. So I have given a snapshot of what dashboard I designed so that they get a clear idea like what I worked on. And if they go down, if the user go down, from here onwards, I'm showing them pieces of a experience. I'm not showing them any of the mockups. So here, second point that you should be knowing is mockups are being very easy to build. It's not like you should not have them, but mockups are good for cover images. They are good for people to click on it, but not to tell them what you have designed. So in here, I just clearly showed them the screens instead of going onto the, mockups and other fancy stuff. Those are good, but they doesn't solve the purpose of what your thinking is and how you create it. So here I have shown them the what is the merchant experience, and then I have given the what merchant on his end will be seeing. So this experience is all about how the button, the process, the thing which is going to be integrated with their store or any other thing, how it looks, how the user will be doing the payments. So this is that. Next, I have given them the merchant app experience. As I already mentioned, this is an outlook of what on the business end they will gonna see. Next, I have given a video. So if they want to see like whatever I have designed, whether it is shipped or not, whether it is real or not, they can click on it. And here the founder itself have sent me the link of the demo and it loads up. I test it on my browser and everything works. So this gives a clarification that whatever I have designed is developer centric and it is developable. Next, so from here onwards and above you can see, first I have introduced myself, second I have given them the connection between me, then I have shown my work, then I have shown them the experiences that I have created. Now the part is to tell them what was the process, what was the user journey. So these cards itself are clickable, and if the user click on them, they can see it in an expanded way, and at the side I have given the context like what this card explains. So these are explanation slides. So here in these three things you can see that how from user paying to the merchant merchant getting the payment, and how crypto pool acts as a mediator to send the currency or whatever the amount is required to the merchant. So here we have 3 people in the loop, and 3 people have different experience with the product. So these slides explains those experiences. Next, here I have shown them that my work is also featured in an article which is by Design Awards, which is by designrush.com, and if they want to know about it, they can click on read the article. And here you can see the primary action is let's chat, unless it is not read article. Read article is a secondary, because I want people to chat with me unless they go on to the article. And even article is added to the new tab, because I want the people to stay on this page itself. I don't want to make them go outside, like redirect to another page and then click on back icon to come back. Then I have given them more context because I wrote the process of it on my blog, and from here they can read it. And now this is an end. So in the end, I have told them like why I'm making this video, why I'm making this web page, what's the purpose. And at the end, I have given them that it's my shot. I'm excited to work with them and looking forward. So you can see that overall this page itself is structured in such a way that it gives the viewer a full information about me, and also excites them that one step I have taken for their role, like to join them. And yeah, that's it. And subscribe to the channel for such more videos. Thank you. Bye.